Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, July 24th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of science news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Rock breaks, ESAU, OTCQB, ETH. Seismic imaging and academic studies support Broken Hill-type analog at Montauban. ES Gold Corp, listed on the CSE as ESAU and on the OTCQB as ESAUF, has released results from its ambient noise tomography survey at the Montauban Gold-Silver Project. Seismic imaging confirmed mineralized zones down to 1,200 meters, aligning with previous academic studies comparing Montauban to the Broken Hill deposit in Australia. The project is now seen as a complex, multi-lens system with district-scale potential. ES Gold is using this data to guide exploration efforts and advance its production strategy. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Rocks and Stocks is a specialized platform providing insights into the mining industry, offering a range of communication solutions for companies looking to reach a wide audience of investors and influencers.
researchers awarded $10.5 million to study use of AI in addressing cardiovascular disease. Research teams from Kaiser Permanente Division of Research and the University of Michigan have been awarded $10.5 million to explore using AI to improve screening and treatment for cardiovascular disease. The projects, funded by the American Heart Association, aim to revolutionize healthcare. Kaiser's project focuses on using AI to detect early signs of kidney and liver disease on heart ultrasounds, while the University of Michigan team is developing AI technology to guide personalized CPR for sudden cardiac arrest. These innovative projects have the potential to save lives and improve health outcomes, addressing the rising rates of cardiovascular, kidney, and liver disease worldwide. The American Heart Association continues to drive cutting-edge research initiatives to advance health and save lives.
Sologenics Inc. NGX, pioneering oral mucositis treatment with novel therapeutic, promising study results. Sologenics Inc., listed on NASDAQ as SNGX, is pioneering a novel therapeutic for severe oral mucositis. The treatment, SGX 942, aims to reduce tissue inflammation, promote healing, and support immune response. With promising Phase 3 data showing significant improvements in the duration and severity of mucositis in head and neck cancer patients, Sologenics is analyzing combined Phase 2 and 3 datasets to design a second Phase 3 study. Oral mucositis, a debilitating side effect of cancer therapy with no FDA-approved treatment, continues to be a challenge for patients, highlighting the urgent need for effective interventions. Stay updated on the latest news and updates from Sologenics in the company's newsroom. Candel Therapeutics gets European orphan status for pancreatic cancer drug CAN-2409. Candel Therapeutics Inc. announced that the European Medicines Agency granted orphan designation for CAN for pancreatic cancer. This complements its existing FDA designations. CAN-2409 is an adenovirus delivering a gene to tumor cells, inducing immunogenic cell death. Positive overall survival data was reported from a Phase 2A trial showing remarkable benefits. The EMA's orphan designation allows benefits like reduced fees and market exclusivity. Candel's CEO expressed optimism, highlighting the therapy's potential. CAN-2409 has received regulatory designations for multiple solid tumor indications, showing promise in transforming the treatment landscape for patients in need. For more information about Candel Therapeutics, visit candeltx.com.
Investor news breaks. AddedX Inc., ADTX, subsidiary Pearsanta, invited to submit full proposal for due defunded ovarian cancer diagnostic study. AddedX Inc. subsidiary Pearsanta Inc. has been invited to submit a full proposal for the U.S. Department of Defense's OCRP pilot award. The proposal supports Pearsanta's mitomic ovarian test, MOTM, a novel blood-based diagnostic for early ovarian cancer detection. The grant, if awarded, could provide up to $350,000 over 2 years. Persanta plans to validate the test in a multi-center clinical study and prepare for commercial launch as a laboratory-developed test. ADIXT is an innovation platform dedicated to accelerating health innovations, with programs focused on immune health and precision health, and plans for additional programs in public health and women's health. The company has entered into agreements with Apili Therapeutics Inc., TSX APLA, OTC PLIF, and Evofem to advance its mission of discovering, developing, and deploying innovative health solutions. ESG Breaks, Aston Bay Holdings Ltd., OTCQB BHF, reports new copper intercepts at Storm Project in Nunavut. Aston Bay Holdings Ltd. provided an update on the 2025 exploration program at the Storm Copper Project in Nunavut. 8 diamond drill holes revealed unexpected intervals of copper sulfide mineralization near the resource boundary, indicating potential for growth. Surface gaussons aligned with conductivity anomalies further support the project's prospectivity. With 80% of development costs covered through an agreement with Ocean Partners, CEO Thomas Ulrich stated the project is de-risked and ready for pre-feasibility work. Aston Bay is exploring high-grade copper and gold deposits in Virginia and Nunavut with joint venture partners American West Metals. For more information, visit Aston Bay's website. Investor news breaks: McEwen Inc., ASQ MUX, discovers high-grade gold west of Froome Mine, expanding Fox Complex potential. McEwen Inc. has discovered high-grade gold mineralization west of its Froome Mine at the Fox Complex, with notable intercepts of 36.0 grams per ton of gold over 10.0 meters and 160.0 grams per ton over 2.2 meters. The newly identified Froome West Zone features stacked lenses with a high-grade plunge, open at depth and along strike. Development is underway to extend mining infrastructure westward, supporting expansion and exploration. The discovery enhances flexibility in the mine plan and holds potential comparable to the historic Black Fox mine.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.